So one of my favorite people in the world is a woman named Karen Schnarr. Karen used to work with us, and one holiday season, she had gone to a ton of trouble and effort to bake some cookies and some Christmas biscuits, and she brought them into the office. And fool that I was, I didn't know what a big deal this was to her. And so I elegantly passed on tasting the baked goods. And I could tell that she felt bad. So what's the moral of the story? It doesn't matter if you don't like sugary cookies or not. Taste the baked goods. And here's the reason why. It's a symbol. It's an expression of actually caring about something that someone did because they made an effort. So remember that during the holiday season. Even if you don't want to eat something or do something, it's sometimes important symbolically that you do it anyhow. And I think Karen's forgiven me today. I really hope she has.